Hanks and Sandra Bullock fly in for the brand new series of The Jonathan Ross Show next weekend. It's back Saturday at 10:15. Right now, without further ado, Keith Lemon is going through the keyhole.
Expressing personality, sleep colour, Crown Paint sponsors Through the Keyhole.
In which I go around celebrities' houses unearthing vital clues so our celebrity panel here in the studio can guess whose house it is. It's as simple as